Hi everyone, I'm Clement and with me is Jen, and we will be going on OrchART trail and exploring 3 hotspots. In this video, we will be going to Taoz ceramics.
We're gonna make this one because it's very versatile. You can put anything in it.
So I chose this one because my parents love tea and I want to give this as a present to them.
有一點很美 very nice.
What do you think of her flower?
I think it's quite sketchy, but I think she's trying her best, so it's fine. Okay, so right now you're gonna try the pottery painting, but usually they don't allow it. But if you come back about 3 months later, you'll be able to do it.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, do check out our 2 other videos on the same page.